There's no button information. Oh, there's a button information.
The format size
So this part, this is not collectible. It's just showing some picture and some slogan here, but no, it's not a collectible. And this part is really similar to the homepage. Sometimes I will ignore this. Sometimes I will ignore this part because I thought this is the same on the homepage. Okay. For this part looks this looks stranger. This is just a list of a list of news here, but there's some more detailed reference. But this two part is not the same. Oh, this missing. I think this should have a back to top button, because if we click this line, we have to scroll up. Oops. Okay. Let's just jump up to the other page. This part is quite simple and no more detail showing here. The same for the whole website. I think they should have a back to up button. This button seems looks a little bit strange, and this is not integrated into this whole website. And action. Oops. Evaluation organization join. Why is this only 4 months here? Not for the it's just showing the rest of the months for the whole year. Oh. I don't know what this eco calendar means. I don't know how to use it. There's no detailed description on this page, and for here, the navigation bar is not showing the exact way to the eco calendar. Yeah, I just rate it here, but when there's something missing, the rating is disappear. Okay. Yeah, there's a confirmation message information telling the feedback has been sent. But what if I want to make another feedback? I have to click here. Yeah, this collectible. Yeah, for the home page, what we offered and the learn and explore. These two parts, the bottom. These two parts looks really similar. Sometimes I will explore this. Yeah, And for each function part, there's no detailed information into this function. Yes, statistics. I think that